You need to stop this.
Darling!
How are you?
I'm fine.
Look, I am tired of Salonto's shenanigans in this house. Huh? I am tired of Salonto.
Okay.
Do you know how long I've been at the gates? For more than 5 minutes, I have been knocking and knocking and knocking the gate. Salonto is nowhere to be found.
Wait. Baby, calm down. You are trying to tell me that right now, Salonto is not at that gate.
Baby, I have been at this gate for more than 5 minutes. Honking and honking my car. No, but I have to calm down myself to open the car. Salonto is not there.
Baby, you know that this is not the first, the second, or the third time I have told you about that Salonto of a guy. Chase this guy out of this house. You say no. What kind of stupid guest man is that? I don't like him for anything. You will say, no, he has family, he has this. Is he the only person that has a family? I don't like that guy. He doesn't know his work.
See, the thing is that whether he has started smoking with all these small boys in the environment, that is even my fear. Let him not start smoking and following his bad boys to do useless things around. Because truly, he's not the first, second, or third time. How can I be paying gate man in the house and I am still the one opening the gate myself?
You see.
And in the night you will see him sleeping as if I'm the one even taking care of him.
You see that Salonto? I cannot even count how many times I have seen him with my 2 naked eyes with all these small girls in this street. This is not the first, second, or third time I am seeing that dirty boy with all these small girls in this street. Because I'll be like, so I'm paying this boy salary to be moving around with all these riff-raffs.
Salonto.
All these girls that are sharing infection like Holy Communion. No?
Salonto have started following girls.
You don't used to see him. I think maybe if you're driving on the road, maybe once or twice you will catch him like this. But me, what my eyes have seen in this house. Salonto, see, if care is not taken and you don't chase that guy out of this house, before you know it, like 3 or 4 girls will even carry pregnancy and come to this compound. Okay.
I think it has gotten to the height of it.
Yes.
I think it has gotten to the height of it. I think it has gotten to the height of it. What do you... I'll chase that boy back to the village.
Wait, come to think of it, why do you even have a soft spot for Salonto? Is he your brother?
You will not understand. You know he's from my village.
Okay.
And you know he doesn't have work. The mother has problem.
Yeah.
I just said, let me help him. That's why I brought him to the city. Imagine.
See, to even make the whole matter very easy, even my ex is better than Salonto. I prefer to use my ex.
What are you saying? You are talking about a full human being. You are talking about someone that has epilepsy. That one should come and fall when he's opening gate for me. Please don't come and increase my anger here. Which one is your ex? You are thinking of something better to do. You are talking about your ex. Salonto will go back to the village.
He has to go.
Salonto will go back to the village.
He will go today.
Salonto will go back to the village. Let me even call him, sir.
Let
me call him.
Okay.
Let me know where that useless boy is at this time.
Very useless person.
Where's that his stupid number, sir?
Every time. Be using my own salary to be pursuing small girls, this secondary school girl that just came outside.
No, let me call him.
Just to leave, oh. I will cook, I will bring for him.
Did you hear anything? Seems like the phone is ringing in this house. I can hear the phone ringing.
Which house?
Can't you hear a phone ringing?
I don't hear anything.
You cannot hear anything.